All right, let's get right into it. What if I told you that you could build a real profitable online business for less than the cost of your morning coffee? Today, we're diving into a case study that shows exactly how that's possible. A profitable business for just 99 cents? I know, it totally sounds like clickbait, but this isn't some made-up theory. We're about to walk through a real-world experiment, step by step, to show you how they actually pulled it off. So here it is. This is the blueprint, the entire game plan from start to finish. You can see it's a simple 3-step process. We're going to break down each part of this so you can see exactly how an idea turned into a real money-making business. Okay, first things first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What is dropshipping? Put simply, you're the storefront, but you're not the warehouse. You sell products online, and when a customer buys something, a third-party supplier ships it directly to them. You never even have to touch the inventory. It's a super lean way to get into e-commerce. Now that we've got that covered, let's jump into step 1, the AI-powered setup. And honestly, this is where the magic really starts to happen. AI is the secret sauce that makes this whole thing possible and makes it incredibly fast. The beauty of this setup was just how much was automated. An AI tool literally picked the sport and fitness niche, which is a great starting point. Then another service called AutoDS just went to work, automatically finding and uploading popular products to the store. They even got a free domain to make it look professional right from the get-go. Basically, AI did almost all of the heavy lifting. So you're probably wondering, what's the catch? How much does all this high-tech AI setup cost? Well, here's the number. 99 cents. Yep, that was the sign-up fee for the AutoDS tool. This one tiny cost is how they kept the initial investment under $1. And get this, it wasn't just cheap. It was unbelievably fast. The entire store, from idea to fully functional, was up and running in less than an hour. That's insane. It's a total game changer for anyone who thinks they don't have time to start a side business. Okay, so you have a great-looking store that was built in under an hour? Now what? You need customers, right? That brings us to step 2, the marketing. And this strategy is super smart. It's not about having a huge budget, it's about being laser-focused. The secret weapon for their marketing was a micro-influencer. Now, don't think of some massive celebrity with millions of followers. Think smaller. Think of an expert in a specific niche who has a super loyal, super engaged community that really trusts what they have to say. So why go small? Well, the numbers tell the whole story. These micro-influencers can get up to 80% more engagement than the big guys. And even better, their followers are 20% more likely to actually buy something. It's all about quality over quantity. That trust they've built translates directly into sales. And here's exactly how they put that strategy into action. They invested just $50 for a little test campaign with a fitness account called the Grace Brothers. The plan was simple: have them promote one specific product, this breathing trainer, through their Instagram stories. A perfect example of a lean, targeted marketing move. All right, let's recap. We've got a 99-cent store and a $50 marketing campaign. That puts the total investment at just under $51. So the big question is, did it actually work? Let's look at the results after just one day. And the result? 10. In just 24 hours after that one influencer post went live, they got 10 sales. 10 real customers from a $50 ad spend. Right away, you know the strategy is working. Okay, now let's break down the money. Those 10 sales brought in a total revenue of $170.85. Pretty good, right? Now, after you subtract all the costs, that's the cost of the products themselves, plus our initial $51 investment, we're left with a very nice final number. And here it is, the bottom line, a net profit of $80.35. That is a fantastic return from a $51 investment, especially in just 24 hours. This experiment didn't just break even. It proved that this entire model is absolutely a viable way to make money. So, what are the big lessons here? First, AI tools have completely changed the game, making it easier than ever to get started. Second, you don't need a huge budget. A small, smart investment can bring back real profit. Third, super focused niche marketing is incredibly powerful. And finally, this isn't just a fluke. It's a proven model that you could actually scale up into a much bigger business. Which really brings us to a final, pretty powerful question. Is this combination of easy-to-use AI and clever, low-cost marketing the new blueprint for entrepreneurship? It's definitely something to think about.